YouTube family, welcome back. What is going on with y'all today, man? It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today with the first, or is it first? Might be my second, but yeah, I'm coming at y'all with an unboxing. I thought it was my first, but I'm thinking I already had an unboxing for this year, and it was a big one, man. So if y'all haven't checked out my last unboxing, go check that out, man. But today, man, we do have a big box. Got a big box to unbox, and your boy purchased these shoes last year, and it took forever for these shoes to come, and I don't know why it took so long. I was seeing people on my Twitter posting up pictures of these, and they got them like 4 or 5 days after they ordered. I'm like, why mine ain't come yet? Mine's like on the real quick story. My tracking, it said shipped, right? And it was literally waiting for UPS to pick them up for like 2 weeks. Crazy. I'm like, dang, UPS still ain't pick up that package? But crazy, man. But I guess that's what you get when you do regular shipping or whatnot, man. But that was a quick story, man. Before we get into this vid, man, if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, hey, welcome back. Glad to have y'all, man. But we would like y'all to stick around permanently, man, by hitting that subscribe button, man. We are on the road to 50K, and we are getting closer and closer and closer, man. So, hey, big shout out to all the OGs of the fam, and big shout out to all the new members of the fam, man. Hey, we rock solid over here, man. I truly appreciate all the continuous support and feedback, man. But anyways, let's get into what y'all are ready to see, and that is the unboxing of this big box, man. Let's get it. Appreciate you. Bang! Whew. Boxes. Yes, boxes are good, man. So we do got a big box to unbox here today. As you can see, took forever. I ain't even gonna go over the spill again, but yeah, man, got that package here, man. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what we got inside of it, man. I don't know how to feel about these. I know one, because this is actually 2 shoes, but one of these shoes I know I'm all for. The other shoe, I don't know yet. I gotta see them and give my initial first thoughts on them, when I see them in hand, because it's just one of them shoes that you gotta see it in hand in order to give that final thought. Really, a lot of shoes, almost all shoes are like that. You gotta see them in hand before you can say so. But popping up the top of that box, they tripping already, because I was supposed to get something special with this, and I don't even see it. So it took all that time for them to send it to me, and I didn't even get the perks of what I was supposed to get, man. But anyways, do got a receipt on the top, and damn, they could have gave me my special stuff with this. But got a black box right here, black Nike box. Got another black Nike box, man. So what we got? Ooh, 2 times. Yes, sir. Done with that, man. So we got 2 boxes, as you can see. I don't know which one I want to open first, man, but y'all already know what time it is. Y'all can see that right there, man. Y'all can see what this is, man. This is a undefeated collab with Nike. Tag reads Nike Air Max, undefeated. Same thing on both shoes. One color blocking reads military green black. The other one reads black Volt military green white. And like I said, man, I did hit these on undefeated a few weeks back, and it was supposed to come with like a magnetic like an undefeated guy, you know what I'm saying? But it said all pairs won't come with it. So, man, forget y'all for not sending me my special stuff, unless it's inside one of these boxes. But anyways, man, let me go ahead and slide it open, see what it's looking like. Okay, these is tough. These is tough. Bang! Here we go, man. The Air Max 97 undefeated, man. These shoes were first seen, I think it was a complex con, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was a complex con exclusive that had this colorway, man, and it was going for a crazy amount of money. Let me set it up real quick, y'all. But it was going for a crazy ticket. Hold on. Yeah, man, I love this colorway, bro. This olive that your boy, bang. So that is one of the shoes that it came with, man. As I said, that military olive colorway that they're calling it. But this is dope, man. I love this colorway. Love this olive, man. Very, very dope, man. So yeah, man, your boy did hit on that undefeated pack, which wasn't too hard, man. Big shout out to my bro C for giving me the heads up on this. He was like, hey man, they sitting on undefeated. So I went over there and I was able to secure my size, and shortly after that they sold out. But they were sitting around for about a good hour, man. But that is the first shoe out of the two out of the pack that your boy copped, man. I might hit y'all with a quick on feet of these, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what they look like on feet. But let's keep it moving. Let me show y'all that other shoe that they sent your boy. Yes sir, yes sir. But I hate that I didn't get that that special stuff that was supposed to come with it, man. They tripping, like I said. But anyways, these that green one is where it's at. I don't too much care for this one, but yeah, I don't too much care for this one, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Bang! There is the other colorway. I mean, it's actually not bad. I probably can get away with it with something like what I have on, you know what I'm saying? So it's actually not bad. I guess it all depends on how you style it up, man. But this is the second pair, the Volt pair. And this is a first time we have seen this colorway. This wasn't a part of that like complex con exclusive one like we had with the military greens. But these are not bad, man. Not bad. I'll definitely be holding on to both of them. A nice combination to add to my collection of Air Max. And yeah, man, y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on the undefeated Air Max 97s. And yeah, man, very quick overview. You know, you got your undefeated logo right there with the Nike check on the inside. Got that Volt with your undefeated 3 stripes with, well, 4 what is that, 4? Yeah, 4 lines with the stripe through it. And your Volt and olive looking Nike tab on the tongue. Just a clean, man. These are clean, bro. You know what I'm saying? A nice little casual shoe to throw on. And I do see these, you know, going up, man. I do see these going up down the line, man. You know, it's a collaboration shoe, and it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Very simple, very simple. All the undefeated collabs, even as far as the ones last, was it 2 years ago, I think, something like that. Not bad. I mean, very simple, very plain, but just, you know, just hey, simple sometimes is where it's at, man. So, you know, got that clear with a light gray air system on these, man. Neon Volt hit on the back. Dope, man. So yeah, man, there you have it. Your boy did pick up both of them, as you can see, and very got those military type camo vibes, you know what I'm saying, on between both of the shoes. But I am 100% digging this military olive color over the black pair, but the black pair is dope, man. So I ain't gonna knock it. Just a little bit of time that I have been checking it out, it grew on me, because when I first took it out the box and saw it, I was like, it's so and so, but it's not bad at all, man. But yeah, let me know y'all thoughts on this collab, and did y'all pick it up? Did y'all sleep on it? Did y'all not care? Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. And yeah, we gonna wrap this one up, man. So that is my pickups, man. This was from last year, but I just got them. That took forever, and I didn't get my special stuff that it was supposed to come with. But oh, almost dropped that, but it's all good, man. So hey, y'all stay tuned to the next one. Your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy is checking out with the undefeated Air Max 97. So till the next one, man, I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.